Alright. There we go. First fish of the night. After dark. Mr. Pumpkin Seed. Okay, buddy. Just a catapult fishy. I didn't even know he'd take it. I didn't know there's crappies in here. There's crappies in here? That's why. Because I got them on the dropper. That's why it was catapult fishy. Wow, I didn't know there was crappies in here. Sheesh. First one I ever caught. I wonder if they stocked them in here or something recently. This one's a pretty small one. Sometimes you just gotta stop and take time to smell the roses. Or pick some berries, in my case here. Found some good plants here. Some ripe berries on them. There we go. We got somebody. Mr. Brim. Got him on the dropper fly. Nice little guy. Another one. On the dropper fly. That looks like a she-gill. Right in about the same area, too. There we go. Got him on the dropper. Little guy. Got another one on the dropper. I think he was a dude, but whatever. Dude's a dude. There we go. I got another guy on. Actually, got someone on the top hook or fly for a change. Hit me a couple times and finally got it.